Morning class. Now this is our third video of chapter 8 ratio and proportion. We are in continuation of exercise 8a done till question number 15. Let us start with question number 16. In question number 16 the statement is ratio of copper and zinc in an alloy is 9:5. If the weight of copper is 48.6 gram, find the weight of zinc in the alloy. Let weight of copper is 9x, weight of zinc is 5x. According to question, weight of copper is given 48.6 gram. So we'll take 9x as 48.6 gram. We will eliminate x from this equation. 48.6 by 9 gram. Now remove the decimal first. 486 by 90. We will get it as 54 by 10, that is equal to 5.4 gram. This is the value of x. We have to find out the value of the weight of zinc. Now weight of zinc is equal to 5 into x, that is 5 into 5.4 grams is equal to 27 grams. Okay. Yes. In the next question, question number 17, ratio of boys and girls in the school is 8:3. Total number of girls is given 375. We have to find out the number of boys. Same as the previous question, in this question also we will take number of boys as, let we have given the ratio, we will take let number of boys 8x, then number of girls as 3x. Now according to question, number of girls is given 375. So take 3x as 375. From here we will eliminate x. 375 by 3 as 125. Now required number of boys will be, number of boys is equal to 8 into x. 8 into 125, 1000 boys. Getting? Yes. Question number 17. Then question number 18 is also same. Ratio of monthly income to the saving of a family is 11:2. Saving is given 2500. We have to find out income and expenditure. You are aware that expenditure is the difference of income and saving. Getting? In the same way, in this question also, let income is equal to 11x, saving is equal to 2x, then expenditure will be 11x minus 2x as 9x. Again according to question we have saving 2500. Saving is 2x is equal to rupees 2500. From here we will get our x as 2500 by 2 is equal to rupees 1250. Then income 11 into x, rupees 11 into 1250, that is equal to rupees 13,750. And then expenditure, you can find expenditure just by subtracting, or you can solve it according to the this one, 9x, 9 into 1250. Getting? Yes, 9 into 1250. How much? That is equal to 11,250. Getting? This is our required income and this is our required expenditure. Now in the next question, question number 19, a bag contains 7 rupees 750 in the form of rupees 50 paisa and 25 paisa coins in the ratio 5:8:4. Find the number of coins of each type. Getting? For this question, we will take first, let number of rupees. Number of 1 rupees coin is 5x. The number of, let number of 1 rupee coin is equal to 5x. The number of 50 paisa coins is 8x. Number of 25 paisa coins is 4x respectively. Now total number of these coins. Total number of these coins. Class, you are already aware that in 1 rupee there are 250 paisa coins, and in 1 rupee there are 425 paisa coins. Rupees 5x into 100 by 100 plus 8x 50 paisa means 50 by 100. Then 4x 25 paisa means 24/5 by 100. Or you can do it directly. 1 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. You are aware? Yes. Rupees 5x. Sorry. There is no sign of rupees because the total number of these coins. 5x plus 4x plus x. We will get it as 10x. Now according to question, these total amount is equal to how much? It is given as rupees 750. Then we will eliminate x first. Rupees 750 by 10. We get x as 75. X as 75. Yes. Class, now we'll eliminate our number of each type of coin. Number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 5 into 75, 375. Number of 50 paisa coins, 8 into 75, that is 600. Then number of 25 paisa coins, that is equal to how much? 4 into 75, 300. Have a look again. First, we'll take number of 1 rupee, 50 paisa and 25 paisa coins as the given ratios, 5x, 8x and 4x. Then total number of these coins, 5x into 100 by 100, 8x into 50 by 100, 4x into 25 by 100. We'll get it as 10x. Then equating 10x to rupees 750. We'll eliminate x as 75. Number of 1 rupee coins, then number of 50 paisa coin, then number of 25 paisa coins. Class, in the next question, if 4x plus 5 ratio 3x plus 11 is equal to 13:17, then find the value of x. For solving this question, we will just cross multiply. First, we will write the given ratio in the form of fraction. Then we will just cross multiply and eliminate our x. Have a look. In question number 20, first we will write like this. Then just cross multiply and solve the given equation for x. 13 into 3x plus 11. Then 17 into 4. You are aware how much? 68. X plus 85 is equal to 39x plus 143. 68x minus transposing 39x to the LHS and 85 to the RHS. We'll get 29x as 58 and then x is equal to 58 by 29 is equal to how much? 2. This is our required answer. Have a look again. Is it okay? Just cross multiply, open the bracket and solve the given equation for x. Okay class? Yes. Question number 20. Now question number 21 to 25 we'll do in the next video. Today's homework is do question number 16 to 20 of exercise 8A. Okay class?